Our day would start, we'd get up around 5:30 in the morning, and then, we'd get back to the hotel around 9, 10 o'clock, just about every night.
You know, a lot of down trees, a lot of ice on the roads. It's a lot of people out of power.
Took a pretty good toll on their system. The weather, cold. The weather was very cold.
There were some days I think the wind chill was below zero.
A lot of wind. We battled the rain one day.
And then in the middle of the trip, it rained, so everything froze.
In the beginning of the ice storm, you get the trees freeze, and then a lot of branches, a lot of trees fall and tear everything down. Well, then you have issues getting actually into the subdivisions with the ice.
You can't just get a group of guys and start sitting in random places. They had to map it out and plan, make sure, all the crews were safe and not working on the same lines or energizing lines that other guys were on.
The National Guard, they were brought in. One day it was just Humvee after Humvee, and they were just coming in and providing assistance.
Everybody was working together to, accomplish the same goal, which is, restoring as much power as possible every day.
We got finished with a pretty big job that we've been working on for 2 days, and there was a bunch of kids that they come out and they were running alongside the bucket truck screaming, thanking us for being there. I can only imagine being out of power for 10, 11, 12 days, how excited they were to finally get lights.
The crews and the customers both, everybody was very grateful for us being there.
Being able to get a community back on its feet is just something that we're always going to cherish.
To me, that was the overall reception, was just thankful. Everybody was thankful, grateful for what we were doing.